I'm going to review this template introduction strategy with you. Okay. Now, template intro strategy. All right. Now, if you remember, you start off with many people, and it was like think, believe, right?
Many people don't.
Well, hold on. Just listen. Okay, so many people think, believe. Okay. But now, this whole people thing, I just put it in my PowerPoint to be generic. It could be students, 6th graders, girls, athletes, whatever pertains to your topic. All right? Then you have to state the opposite of what people believe about your thesis. All right? So, for example, if my thesis is, like, I'm going to do hers. I'm going to do what she did. Divorce can be, what was your thesis? Divorce can be a benefit to kids. All right. Now, this only works if people believe the opposite of your thesis, right? So I don't really think a lot of people believe that it can be a benefit. They believe the opposite. So I'm going to put, and I'm going to say many parents, I'm going to actually keep using people because it's a variety. So many people believe divorce is, hold on, just listen to me. Many people believe divorce is, hold on, I might say something like, many people believe divorce is the worst thing that can occur to a kid. But I'm going to keep going on with these thoughts of what they think. They think this separation, because people really believe this separation is harmful and will have negative effects. All right, so I have that. So that's the first part of using this template, right? But now I have to transition into my thesis. All right, so I got my little template, so now I got to do this whole, the second step is a transition thing. Well, actually, I have found the opposite to be true. And now I'm going to state my thesis. Children can actually benefit from divorce. All right, so now let's look at your intro and see what you can do. Okay, so your thesis is sneakers what?
Shoes can do wonders for, can I change it to people?
Yeah.
Because it can be a
Sure, yeah. Shoes can do wonders for people. Okay, so let's do the first step. What do some people really just think about shoes?
That they're just for fashion.
Okay, so yeah, so start writing. So some people think shoes are just for fashion.
What happened?
It's not working. There.
Okay.
Chris, what are you looking at? Okay. Okay, but now is that enough?
No.
No. You know, they think, what else do they think?
They think that you can just buy them and sell them. I don't know.
Well, that doesn't make sense. I mean, they think, or, you know, or sometimes do they even think too hard about it? Like, they just think that, what they're for what?
Cool. Think they're cool.
It has to be the opposite of your thesis. So your thesis is like sneakers can make you cool, can be cool.
For fashion. I don't know. What else?
How about, you know, they think, well, I can't help you too much because then it's going to be my introduction. So like, what else? I mean, like, it has to be like you're saying these cool sneakers are awesome and they do all these great things, but then the opposite of that would be what? Sneakers do the
They think they don't do anything.
mm,
Wouldn't that be opposite though?
too general. Like they think that.
That they can't be beneficial.
All right, all right. They can't be beneficial. We should not have white out on our rough drafts. That's why it's called a rough draft.
Beneficial.
All right, now you need a transitional sentence.
But
You don't start a sentence with but. It could be however.
however, they can do wonders.
Well, but that's your thesis. So mine was like, however, I've come to realize that this is actually not true. Okay, so then you would need your transitional sentence. However, I have realized or discovered this is not true. And then you would state your thesis. Okay? So go back to your seat and rewrite your introduction.